Okay, it's Monday morning and we are in Vicksburg again. I'm not even going to show you the surroundings. You've seen it 100 times. I dropped Donna off at a McDonald's about a block away. She's going to give me a call. I'm going to go back around and pick her up. Just waiting for a load. They're saying they're trying to find us a lumber load out of here. So that's it. We're just sitting here waiting on a load to get out of here. Today is, no, it's not Monday morning. Today is Tuesday morning. Oh, that's probably Donna. We was making good time, and then this happened. Bent the mud flat bracket all to hell. Tread just peeled right off the tire. Never fails. Never fails. Rather than wait for these dips from tire repair to tear this off, I'm gonna do it. Let's see what we can do here. Already shot. There we go. And that's how you fix that. Come here. Come here, little squirrel. Come here. Where do you go? Come here. Come here.
Okay, I gotta do a little bitch session here. See, there's what, 3 trucks here?
Yeah.
3 trucks here when we got here. Everybody moved out of everybody's way. You know, common courtesy, that's the thing to do. So when it comes our time to pull in there, you know, TMC decides to just pull in there and park right in the middle of the lot. When I go and politely ask him if he would pull up so we can do that, he decided to have attitude with me and said, what, he can't make that turn? Well, no. You know, common courtesy, just move the hell up, get out of the way. It takes 5 seconds out of your frickin' day. I don't know why these drivers that work for TMC, and I'm not bad-mouthing anybody, but all the ones we've talked to think that they're high and mighty and better than everybody else, and it's just really frickin' old. Right.
We're all doing the same damn job.
Yeah. Stop acting like you're better than everybody, because you're not.
Okay, we got our roofing foam load dropped off down in Lansing, Michigan. We're now in Roseville, Michigan. Basically Detroit, outskirts of Detroit. And we're going to be picking up some steel coils. They're saying 4, but we don't know if they're skidded coils or upright coils. I'm hoping they're skidded coils because we only have 6 coil racks, which is enough for 3 coils. So we're hoping they're skidded, but it looks like when we're done here, we'll be taking this back and dropping it at the Muscatine shop, and then when we're done there, we're going to grab another load and head back to Michigan, to Durand, Michigan. So, all right, Donna's coming with our paperwork, so I'm going to see what we got to do here. So, talk to you later.